So the 5 realms, very simply, are the somatic realm, the realm of all the systems of the body, the sort of minute, from the sort of atom onwards, not of just of our bodies personally, but of everybody, of bodies generally. And then the next realm is the personal realm, which is really where conscience works and where personal guilt and personal responsibility are central. And which you could say, like the somatic realm, it tends to be the realms of doctors and homeopaths and so on. And the personal realm tends to be the realm of counsellors and psychoanalysts and so on, who are looking at individuals very much as individuals.